Hi friends, it's Mary, and today I'm sharing my twist on a classic macaroni salad. It's creamy, tangy, and just a little sweet. The kind of salad that tastes like summer at every picnic table. Let's start with what you'll need. I've got elbow macaroni, mayonnaise, sugar, vinegar, mustard, salt, pepper, celery, carrots, cheddar cheese, and a touch of pimento for color. Simple ingredients, but together they make an impressive summer salad. We start by adding the pasta to a pot of boiling water. Give it a stir and cook until al dente, tender but still with a little bite. Once your pasta is ready, drain and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking. You can toss in a few cubes of ice to cool it faster. Once everything is mixed in and coated in that creamy dressing, cover it up and chill it in the fridge for several hours. That's when the flavors really come together. Serve it cold with your favorite grilled foods. It's perfect with hot dogs, burgers, or anything fresh off the grill. A true summer classic and a great recipe for Memorial Day.
That's real good.
Thanks for spending a little time with me today. I hope this macaroni salad finds its way to your next cookout or cozy family dinner. I'll see you soon for more easy recipes, more kitchen stories, and more moments shared together.